The lost sense of urgency. Real talk. Napansin mo bang minsan nawawala na yung urgency natin sa gospel? Parang okay lang na bukas na lang, next time. Pero paano kung wala lang next time? Sabi sa Acts 1:8, "But you will receive power when the Holy Spirit comes upon you." Power, boldness, urgency. Pero aminin natin, minsan humihina. Minsan nangingibabaw yung hiya. Minsan inuuna natin lahat except the thing that matters for eternity. Kapag nawawala na yung urgency, humihina ang boldness. Kapag humihina ang boldness, tumatahimik tayo. At kapag tumatahimik tayo, may isang kaluluwa na hindi makakarinig. Pero ito ang good news. The Spirit gives power. Hindi power para maging magaling magsalita, kundi power para makita natin ang tao kung paano sila tingnan ni God. Souls that matter forever. Minsan, kailangan lang natin tanongin ang sarili natin Kung alam kong iksi ang buhay, anong uunahin ko? Career? Comfort? Studies? Or calling? Hindi aksidente yung tao na nasa paligid mo. Hindi aksidente yung friend mo na gusto ng invite sa church pero nahihiya ka. Hindi aksidente na naririnig mo tong message ngayon. Maybe God is reminding you, "Anak, time is short. Souls are real. Go tell them." The same Spirit who empowered the early believers is the same Spirit working in you right now. Hindi ka mahina. Hindi ka kulang. Hindi ka late. At hindi ka alone. You carry the same power, the same fire, the same mission. Don't lose your urgency. The world needs your voice. And God will give you the boldness. If this spoke to you, take 1 minute today. Pray for someone, message someone, invite someone. Tandaan natin, small obedience, eternal impact. Kaya tara, hayo tayo.